Sanibona, ngiyanimukela futhi kulesi siqephu sethu lapho sifundisana khona isiZulu. Isihloko sanamuhla ke sithi ukuzila esikweni lakwaZulu. Today we are exploring fasting in Zulu culture and traditions. And the big question is, do Zulus fast? Let me start by saying Ramadan Kareem to all the Muslim communities. May this holy month shower the happiness on you and your family. May all your deeds, devotions, and prayers be accepted by Allah. Also, I would like to extend well wishes to all the Christian and Catholic communities. May this season of fasting and prayer bring you clarity, hope, and a renewed spirit. Wishing you strength and grace throughout Lent. Did you know that fasting is not just a religious practice, but it's also deeply rooted in African traditions, including the Zulu culture? So, stay with me as we explore how and why Zulus fast. Namhlanje ke sofundisana ngokuthi kuyini ukuzila, abanye ke bathi ukuzinqabela. Kuhlangana kanjani nosiko lwethu lwakaZulu? The concept of fasting in Zulu culture. I'm going to explore 4 of the ways we fast in our Zulu culture. The first one is fasting in traditional Zulu rituals. The second one is fasting for ancestral veneration. Thirdly, it's spiritual cleansing and renewal. And then preparation for important ceremonies. In Zulu culture, fasting is often linked to spirituality rather than just abstaining from food. It is commonly practiced before important ceremonies, particularly those involving ancestors, and before connecting with amadlozi or ancestors. Individuals may fast as a sign of respect and purification. Traditional healers, and that is izangoma nezinyanga, sometimes fast before performing rituals to strengthen their spiritual connection. Fasting is believed to cleanse both the body and spirit, preparing one for divine communication. It can be part of seeking guidance, protection, or blessings from the ancestors. During ceremonies like Imbelego, and you can check out this video here that I have attached for Imbelego to know what Imbelego is. So during that ceremony, which is introducing a child to ancestors, or ukubuyisa, or welcoming a spirit back home, ukubuyisa abantu bangasekho, fasting helps participants enter a sacred space. It also reinforces discipline and humility, which are key values in Zulu customs. Religious influence and modern day fasting. Christianity and fasting among the Zulus. With the spread of Christianity, many Zulu people adopted fasting practices observed in the faith. Some fast during Lent, prayer meetings, or personal spiritual journeys, seeing it as a way to grow closer to God. I grew up in a Catholic community and I went to a Catholic boarding school for high school. So I have experienced fasting there as well. Islamic influence on fasting in Zulu communities. Due to cultural exchanges, especially in areas with Muslim communities, some Zulus have learned about Ramadan fasting and its spiritual significance. I am one of those people who have educated themselves about Ramadan fasting. And this is due to the fact that I live in Saudi Arabia and it's important for me to know about Ramadan fasting so that I will be able to show support and kindness during this time. Fasting for health and wellness. In modern times, fasting is becoming popular for health benefits such as intermittent fasting and detoxing. Many people now fast to cleanse the body, boost metabolism, or practice self-discipline, blending traditional beliefs with modern wellness trends. I have seen and experienced this part of fasting, which is intermittent fasting, and it's helping a lot of people. So it can be used for health reasons as well. Roles of traditional healers and fasting. So izangoma or traditional healers often fast before performing important rituals. Fasting helps cleanse the body and mind, allowing them to connect deeply with ancestral spirits. Some of izangoma fast before preparing herbal medicine or during an intense spiritual training. So, what is a connection between fasting and prayer for divine guidance? Fasting is seen as a way to humble oneself and seek wisdom from ancestors and divine forces. People may fast before making a big decision, such as choosing a new leader, starting a new journey, or resolving conflicts. It is believed that a purified body enhances communication with the spiritual realm, making prayers more powerful. To conclude, fasting is traditionally practiced for spiritual cleansing, ancestral veneration, and preparation for ceremonies in Zulu culture. Christianity and Islam have influenced fasting, and it is also growing as a health and wellness practice. Traditional healers use fasting for spiritual connection, rituals, and divine guidance. Fasting is more than just abstaining from food. Fasting strengthens faith, purifies the body and mind, and connects individuals to their ancestors and spiritual benefits. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for following through. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi niqhubeke nilalele kuze kufike lesikhathi lapho sesiqeda khona lesi siqephu. Please let me know in the comments if you or your family practice fasting. If you are not fasting, just let me know how do you show kindness to other people that are fasting, and what have you learned about fasting? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into Zulu traditions and how it connects with other traditions.